All right, I found more fans, and I think I found a future Seahawker. I don't know. Look at this guy. He's pretty decked out and looks pretty hot. I don't know what you think, but have you guys been to training camp before?
Yes. Yep.
Awesome. Speaking of, what's your name?
Drew.
And Jamie, and then this is Kingston.
This is Kingston.
Kingston, all right. What are you guys looking at and looking for today?
I wanted to see Flynn practice. I was really looking forward to that and showing him Hawks.
Hawks? All
Yep.
right.
He's just learned how to say Hawks, so kind of
Can you say
excited.
it, bud?
Can you say Hawks?
Not right now.
No, not right now.
So you guys season ticket holders or anything?
Yes. Well, I am. I split them with my friend, so.
Well, hey, hot games in any way are the best way
Absolutely.
to go. So what do you think of the new jerseys and the new look and everything we got this year?
I like the new jerseys. I really like my old jersey, and so I'm gonna have to get.
Now.
Exactly. I'm gonna have to get him one too.
Well, you guys look amazing, and welcome to training camp, and I hope you have a great time today.
Pounce.